Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are still looking at PROKIP, and we're going straight to where we stopped in the previous video. I am Tudor Frank from Tudor ICT Academy. So in the previous video, we were able to sign up on PROKIP. I believe you can see better on the screen. So these are different plans which I actually explained in the previous video. For now, I'm running a free trial, and I will go ahead to the next stage. The first thing I would like to do on my PROKIP is although on the dashboard I could see some important important status of my business. On the dashboard you could see the business overview where you got the total sales, the invoice due, total payments, net sales, expense will be there. You see your expense and then your total purchase. Down here we got the ProMoney wallet. ProMoney is actually a platform in PROKIP that actually help with payment transactions. Then here you can see debtors list as well as your product stock alerts, where you see which product is actually running out of stocks and other stuff. It's still loading, and we haven't done anything yet. That is why all of this is empty. So the next thing is that if you go down here, you can see what you have on the PROKIP dashboard. It's divided into about 3 or 4 different sessions. On the first session, you have the sales and inventory, where you have the POS sales, you have the invoices menu, you have purchases menu, you have the products and services menu, you have the stock manager, you got the production, the quotations. Then under the accounting menu, you got the expenses and you got the reports. Under report, you have a lot of reports like the sales report, stock reports, report on purchases, your profits or loss reports. Then you got your expense and accounts, as well as the contact and CRM. Then over here, we have the CRM and marketing. On this particular session, we have the contact campaigns overview. Then we still have the more. On the more session, we got stuff like HRM, that is human resource management. We got the tax ahead of you. So that is it. On the right hand side, okay, the left here is where we have the menu. On the right hand side, we got this button POS, which is actually the point of sales, which quickly help you in recording sales. And PROKIP actually have as an offline version of this software you can use for your POS, which means if you are using PROKIP and maybe your network connection is poor, you can equally keep on recording your transactions using the desktop version, which works offline, and that could be those transactions will be uploaded when your network is okay. But you can actually use that to free your customers by recording their sales and printing their receipts, which I'm going to show you in the course of this training. Over here, we have the alerts, where you can see whatever notification comes from PROKIP. And then finally, here we got where you can set up your user profile. You can work on your profile and settings. I think that is loading. I'm trying to load that so we can see what I mean over here. So PROKIP, the user interface, as you can see, is very friendly. You can just scroll down or scroll up, and note the ProMoney wallet can be funded right here, where you can fund your wallet and use the wallet to buy and sell. All right, so this is just a walk around the user interface, and I'd like to see what we got right here, which has been loading. I think my network is poor. We just have to be patient as it is loading. I would like to reload this page and let's see which one works faster. Okay, my network is just bad, so please, it's not about the product, it's about my network. Right here you can filter what you want to see on your dashboard as well. You can filter it over here. It's possible to filter your dashboard to see the items you wish to see and then hide whatever item you don't want to see on your dashboard. Then over here is where we got the profile. Yeah, it's now okay. First here is the profile. Second is users and row, where you can see lists of all the users you have added and what role they can perform on your company account. Then you can see all your business locations here. For example, it's possible to have a kind of supermarkets, or you have a pharmacy in different locations. You can actually watch out here to see maybe your hotels in different locations. You can now switch from one location to another right here. Then the setting button is where you do some account settings. The models is here, subscription is here. If you need information about activity log, as well as if you want to sign out from your accounts, you can sign out right here. I would like to go to profile. I think that is loading. Let's see what we got on the profile. This brings you to your company profile, where you can, if you want to change your password, this is what you do. You have to first of all supply the current password you set up, and you can type a new one and update it automatically here. Under your profile, you can actually edit your name. Like here, I can say, okay, Tudor is my first name, but my surname is Frank. So I can separate the first and the last name over here. And if you want to upload your image as a user, you can actually pick up your image. I think I have an image I can upload. I just click on browse. By clicking on browse, we can get a folder that will help us select the image. So right here on this folder, I can look for my image on desktop. I think I have a picture here. Then I go ahead and say open, and that could be loaded here as my picture. Then what again? We have more informations, like if I want to bring in my date of birth, or I want to bring in my gender. I'm actually male. Marital status, I think I'm still single, which is unmarried. Okay. We got blood group, we got mobile phone number, and all those stuff can actually comes in here. PROKIP allow you to set even your business Facebook link, your Twitter link, your social media one, any other social media platform you want to upload here, you can do that. You can bring in your guidance, you can bring in your ID proof name, your ID proof number, your permanent address, can bring in the address of your business all over here. Then PROKIP can actually accept your account details over here, the business account details, and at the end of the day, you can go ahead and click on updates. As soon as you click on update, all those information will be updated. Okay, you will have all those information updated on your profile. So right now, I've walked you through here. I think other things that users, we will come back here to see what we can do with all of this. So in the next video, we will go straight to learning how to use this software in actually setting up our inventory items. So in the next video, we're going to go straight to inventory items, how to set up inventory using PROKIP. Thank you very much. I am Tudor Frank from Tudor ICT Academy.